Hey everyone, welcome to today's BOSH recipe, and we're making pesto.
I'm Ian.
I'm Henry.
And we are
BOSH. We love pesto, but more specifically, I adore pesto.
He's not lying. This guy will eat pesto pasta 1 day a week, and to be honest, I can't blame him because it's wholly delicious.
My uncle once said about me that I had a high pasta intake, which was definitely true, and it's always pesto. Pesto works in so many different situations, whether it's coming home drunk after the pub, or whether it's a lovely summer's day with spinach and the good life. Pesto works in all of those situations.
Some say that he's pasta point of no return.
Hey, that's the pesto joke I've ever heard.
All right, so today's video, we are making three, not one, but three wonderful pestos rather, and they are all hella wonderful.
Let's get cooking. Now the cool thing about pasta and pesto is everybody loves it, and the other cool thing about it is you can just customize it. So these are 3 different variations on pesto, not just your bog standard pesto.
When you imagine pesto, you probably conjure up the color green, which is logical because pasta and pesto is usually just basil, a little bit of lemon, a little bit of olive oil, and obviously pine nuts. And this is why we have created this wonderful thing, the BOSH Classic Pesto.
Beautiful. What's next?
Okay, we have something that in color might not look as nice, but we've mixed it up a bit. This spicy walnut and sun-dried tomato.
Ooh, that sounds incredible.
Doesn't it just?
Walnuts, great for your brain. Sun-dried tomato, packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, so good for you and so delicious.
Pesto is a really wonderful thing to make because you can make a big batch of it and you can freeze it, or you can pop it in the fridge and have it for a little while. It's the sort of thing you can spread on toast with a bit of hummus.
Swirl through hummus is really, really good.
Yeah, man, that's a one. Now, what do you get when you mix roasted red peppers, almonds, and basil?
You get romesco sauce.
No, you get this. Hey!
Of course, that's the obvious answer.
This is our last one of the 3, and as you can see, the color of it's wonderful. Very similar to the romesco, right?
Similar to romesco, beautiful. I mean, it's Italian cooking. They love their tomatoes, they love their red peppers, they love their garlic, and that looks banging and Italian. The thing about proper Italian pesto is, like, if you watch videos on YouTube, as we tend to do, you'll end up like watching an Italian nonna with a mortar and pestle, you know, grinding away, adding a bit of oil. You make this gorgeous emulsion of fats and liquids. But who's got time for that, man? Instead of that stuff, we're using a blender because everyone should have a blender, and this is 2019 or even maybe later, depending on when you're watching. So let's get real. We use a blender because it makes life easier. Look, this looks amazing. We've just gone through 3 pestos in just over 3 minutes. Let's try this.
Which one do you want to go for first, man?
Let's start with the first one.
Classic.
The standard classic pesto.
Classic pesto
Green,
pasta.
gorgeous, delicious. Oh,
The flavors aren't like insanely punchy, but that's good because some pesto can be like, too much.
It's mild. And if you're looking for a healthier option, then go for wholemeal pasta, whole grain pasta, or even like a red lentil pasta. Loads of different variations out there now.
Right, next up,
let's go for the, what was this? Spicy walnut.
Spicy walnut with sun-dried tomatoes, which is obviously a bit off the beaten track, but we wanted to show you 3 different pestos with 3 different nuts. Brain food.
Got that spice. That spice is coming through. The walnuts add a different layer of fattiness. Delicious.
Delicious indeed.
Well done.
And last but not least,
the romesco pesto.
Romesco pesto?
Romesco.
Absolutely. That's nice. Oh, it's really nice.
Gorgeous, fresh, summery, really light. That would go great in a pasta salad.
Success.
Delicious. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
We hope you've enjoyed that video. These are our 3 pestos. Drop some comments down below. Let us know what you thought. Hit like, and of course, if you're watching on YouTube, subscribe.
Guys, also, we have a little bit of an announcement to make. You might have known this already, but look.
This is our new book. It's really important. It's potentially the most important book we've ever written. This is BOSH, How to Live Vegan. It's packed with information about how and why we should all be eating vegan or living vegan or a little bit more vegan.
But fear not, it's not preachy, it's just the facts. Like literally, the back of it, the little index at the back is packed full of really solid sources, so everything in here is bulletproof. You're gonna learn a lot.
And it's the perfect thing to give to your family or friends if they are kind of wondering why the hell you went vegan. So grab a copy, it's available to pre-order now, Waterstones, Amazon, etc.
Bish,
Bash, BOSH!